All right, I'll show you this. I'm getting ready to do a second coat. You probably wanted to see how well this paintbrush did. I've got it all wrapped with my plastic. Give this a little bit of a stir. This paint has only been sitting for about an hour or so. Okay. See there? It's still all nice and wet. And this paintbrush is ready to go some more. It's almost like I didn't even stop painting with it. Okay? So that's how you can do it on yours. Let's say. Then I didn't have to rinse it out. Who wants to rinse their paintbrush out an extra time, let's say, or if you're just gonna eat lunch or a break or whatever, you don't want to have to keep washing that out. It's a waste of water. Plus, where's your paint gonna go? Down the drain. And so this way it saves on all that. Okay. All right, so just keep at it. This baseboard's going to look all nice and fresh, ready to dry, and then I can put that blue masking tape on it. Why are we putting that blue masking tape on there? Because this floor here, I'm going to install some resurfacing material. And I've got to run some blue masking tape to protect the baseboard because I don't want it to get all on the baseboard. Can you imagine if it gets on the baseboard? Then I have to clean the baseboard off. And then I have to cut in, or if all of it doesn't come out, then over the stained concrete floor, I have to cut in this paint. And that's not impossible, but see how much easier it is to do it right now? And I don't have to worry about getting it on the floor. Dip and go, that's all you gotta do. Just using an inch and a half paintbrush. Boy, if I do too good of a job, I might not want to sell this house. Haha. See, all this was painted before with the same color. So I'm just blending in the bottom where it was missing from before, and I can continue it up a little bit. But this was painted fairly recent, so I shouldn't have to blend in too far. But like this base, since the wall's painted the same color, the same paint, it doesn't matter if I get a little bit on the wall. Just think what kind of paint you're using, if it blends in, and then you have to make a decision. If this paint was a different color on the wall, then maybe you'd have to be real careful when you cut it in, or maybe you shouldn't cut in the top edge of the base if you don't feel comfortable enough about cutting in a straight line, let's say. Okay. There's no way I could do it this quick if I already had the flooring material down. My feather edge, it's going to look like concrete. I'd be faced with the dilemma on how to get that paint on there properly without hitting the floor, okay? So keep at it. I know you can do it.